Hey Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am sharing a tablescape that I created using beautiful items from Totally Dazzled. I'm using a mix of this soft peachy blush color with gray and white. So with event season getting busier with baby showers and graduation parties, I wanted to work on my balloon garland skills. So the focal point of the tablescape really isn't in their centerpiece, it's really supposed to be in the balloon garland. And I'm basically gonna play with two different ways that I can use the balloon garland, whether it's draped across the table or using it as a balloon arch. So for my plate setting, I'm using the Totally Dazzled Rose Gold Vintage Napkin Rings, and I will leave the link to these down below in the description box. But they are so pretty, and they have like the silver bling rhinestone in the middle of it, and it matches my plate setting really well as my table runner, which is a blushy peachy sequin runner. So now I'm using my balloon garland as a balloon arch over the table, and I actually like the way that this one looks better with the way that I did it. I'm using these silver and white balloons, but I am working on my skills, as I said, so I like the way that it looked more so as a balloon arch as opposed to the way that it was draped across the table. So I am going to be working on perfecting that. But I think that this looked really cute. It looks really soft, and I love these colors, especially for like a baby shower. I've also created a 3-tiered rose gold card box using some of the bling mesh wrap from Totally Dazzled along with one of their brooches. So placed here on the side, I have a flower from Michaels, and in the center of it is the rose gold flower rhinestone pearl brooch from Totally Dazzled, and I thought that it complemented it really well. And here on the bottom tier, I am just using the rose gold mesh ribbon. The great thing is that Totally Dazzled was generous enough to share a second roll of rhinestone mesh with me to give away to one of you guys. So if you would like to have a roll of rose gold rhinestone mesh, I'm going to be choosing someone to send it to. These are great for DIYs and crafts. I could have actually taken the rhinestone mesh and wrapped it around the cylinder glass and created a nice centerpiece, but it's very versatile what you can do with this. So if you comment down below what your favorite color for spring is going to be this year, along with enter me so that I know you would like to win this, I will be selecting someone and I will announce the winner. So thank you so much to Totally Dazzled for sponsoring this video. They have beautiful products if you're having an event or if you just want to create some custom DIYs and things at home or tablescapes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye Daisies.